If we start with a recent instance, Epic Games accused Apple of running its App Store as an illegal monopoly because it only allows in-app purchases on iPhone to be processed by Apple's own payment system. This is the same for 1 billion iPhones around the world, not to forget the 30% surcharge that Apple collects on purchases made through the App Store. For its popular game Fortnite, for instance, Epic could have more than 100 developers working on the mobile version of the game. By taking a 30% cut of every in-app purchase, Epic's CEO Tim Sweeney estimated Apple made more money from some apps than the developers who created them. This clearly shows how Apple Inc. just fails to understand the gaming industry and doesn't wish to even improve it for now. In this episode of Freak Friday, we just simply try to figure out why gamers don't choose Mac over PC and the reasons why Apple doesn't understand gamers. For number one, Mac was never marketed as a gaming machine. Did you know that Mac was actually known to have some awesome games in it? During the 80s, that was exactly what the scenario was for Mac. Between the Mac and PC, personal computers were considered for professional work and Mac was more of an entertainment console. It all changed when Apple decided to rebrand itself. They started to position themselves as a more serious brand in the market. They wanted to go beyond the fun and learning functions of a computer so that they could be taken more seriously. Hence, they downplayed the concept of gaming in their culture. The massive push for Windows-based gaming started with Windows 95 and Bill Gates himself appeared in an ad for Doom promoting Windows. All that was happening, Apple was still focusing on how to position themselves as a serious machine in the market. With the market gearing towards PCs for gaming, Apple was pretty much able to appeal to a different kind of audience which obviously did not consist of serious gamers. On number 2, hardware is not powerful enough for gaming. When it comes to gaming, the hardware is king. It needs to be able to support powerful graphic cards that can run games. When it comes to gaming, one thing that is horrible in Macs and that is the graphics. Most Mac models rely on integrated Intel graphics cards that are unpowered. Needless to say, integrated graphic cards aren't great for gaming. Even with the best APUs, they are just not going to work well at all. It's not powerful enough to run all the games for the serious gamers. Most decent MacBooks or iMacs will cost a lot more than a good gaming PC. On PC, you can get far more powerful processors and graphics cards to run the latest AAA title with maximum level of details. Apple is also prompting its new Metal Graphics API, which gives developers near direct access to graphics hardware. Even if Macs have their own dedicated graphic cards, they are still not able to run a lot of games. Since Macs are more expensive than PCs, it makes it very odd choice for gaming. PC is definitely a more affordable choice and it performs very well for gaming. On number 3, Macs are expensive to upgrade. If you are a serious gamer, you always upgrade your hardware, and the reason is because games are becoming more and more advanced. So the next generation of games will always need more powerful hardware. Unfortunately, Macs are not upgradable. They can't be torn apart for the sole purpose of running a game. An attempt to do that would cost a lot of money. Hence is the reason why serious gamers do not consider the Mac as a gaming machine. On number 4, Mac doesn't support better and more peripherals. On PC, you can plug in an Xbox or PlayStation controller. You can even attach a steering wheel and pedals for racing games or any input device you want. PC supports it. But with Mac, you're pretty much at the mercy of peripherals manufacturers and third-party driver developers to ensure that a certain mouse or controller will work. And even then, there is no way you will ever be able to match the input device versatility of a PC. On number 5, Macs are expensive compared to PC. Needless to say, you can get a PC with the same hardware specifications as a Mac for a lot less money. PC is cheaper and gives gamers more options to tune their hardware based on each individual's needs. But money isn't actually a point for the serious gamers, but all 4 points we have mentioned above definitely are. OS isn't very popular when it comes to games. Compared to the 20,000 games available on Windows, there are only about 7,000 games available on Mac. But Tim Sweeney feels confident that he expects it to count for 35 to 50% of the PC gaming market by 2024. Let's see what happens next. But with GeForce Now, cloud gaming is possible on Mac. So what are your thoughts on Apple's future with gaming? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below and keep watching our channel Tweak Library.